Hello everyone, this is me Pooja Taniwali from Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to give a review on a very famous TED Talk that is Kids Can Teach Themselves presented by Sugata Mitra. I have already given one review presented by Sugata Mitra, and I remember that this that was my first TED Talk review. So I hope that I don't need to give an introduction of Sugata Mitra here because I have already given the introduction in my very first TED Talk. If you want to know about the Sugata Mitra, you can watch my first TED Talk. So we are moving towards the review. So in this TED Talk, Sugata Mitra shares the result of fascinating experiment. He did an experiment where he placed a computer with internet and access in a wall located in a poor neighborhood where many children had placed around the computer who had no idea about the computer and had never used that computer before in their life. To this surprise, the children quickly learned how to use the computer without any formal instruction because he only placed the computer. There was no any teacher, no any instructor who can guide them. So he noticed that the children can use the computer without any formal instruction. He also explained that children are naturally curious when they are given access to information and the freedom is explored, they can learn many things on their own. Definitely, if we offer opportunity and give freedom to our children and give the source to them, obviously they will try to use it on their own way. He observed that children collaborated and shared knowledge and solved their problems together without the help of teachers. So, one of the main message from this TED Talk is that learning does not always require direct instruction. Sometimes giving students the right tools, the encouragement, the opportunities to explore can lead to amazing results. He also highlighted the importance of technology in education. He said that nowadays there is no need of instructor. One can learn many things if we provide them resources, if we provide them internet and a device and a good atmosphere, and there must be a team with them. They can collaborate and work collectively. So all of these things can lead them to a successful life. The internet provide a huge amount of knowledge, allowing children to learn behind the limits of traditional classroom. So the key points that I get from this TED talk are the following. The number one, the children are naturally curious and eager to learn. Technology can support self-directed learning. A student can learn effectively through exploration and collaboration. The second thing I get from here is that learning is not limited to traditional classroom. Provide access to information can unlock a child's potential. So these two main ideas that I get from this TED Talk and I shared with you. And if I give my opinion, my feedback about this TED Talk is very, very interesting and inspiring because it showed how capable children are when they are given opportunities to explore and learn independently, or we can say to learn at their own. I especially like the idea of Sugata Mitra that he presented in this TED talk, that curiosity can be a powerful teacher. So, if we conclude this TED talk, we can say that this TED talk demonstrates that children can learn many things on their own when they have access to technology, to information. His message encouraged educators to trust students' natural curiosity and create learning environment that promote exploration and creativity. Thank you so much for watching me.